Hello. Can you introduce yourself? What's your name?
My name is Indrani.
Sindra.
Indrani.
Indra.
Yes.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 43 years old.
Have you married?
Yes, I married.
Have you got your own children?
Yes, I have one daughter.
One daughter.
Yes.
How old?
21.
21. Oh. So, can you tell me your working experience before?
Before I worked in Singapore 2 years.
2 years.
Yes.
Okay. Take care what?
Two children and I go to market. I do everything the home work.
Okay. How old is the children?
3 years and 5 years.
One is 3 years old and one is 5 years
One
old.
boy 3 years. Girl 5 years.
Okay, so you need to bring them to school.
Yes, I been to school.
Okay, you work in Singapore 2 years.
Yes.
Okay, and then you go to market. You prepare the food and then dinner for them.
Yes.
Okay.
Everything I do.
Okay, so after Singapore and then you go back to your country.
Yes, I
and
go
then now you come to Hong Kong. Just work 2 weeks.
Yes.
In Repulse Bay.
Yes.
So may I know that how many families member in Repulse Bay?
Sorry.
And now your employer house, how many person in there?
For
4 adult.
Yes.
Mom,
Mom,
Sir.
sir, and 2 daughters.
2 daughters.
Yes.
Is already grow up.
Yes,
The
it's
daughter
grow
is
up.
already 20 something.
20. First one 25. Second one 21st.
Okay. So mom and daughter also stay in. They
Yes.
don't need to work.
No, sir only work.
Only sir work. So why now you want to change another employer?
I difficult to work, but every time I no rest, no food, eat to time. 5 minutes also I can't sit down also.
Okay.
My madam asked me to do every time work. I can't sleep also. Night time I eat 11:30. Lunch I eat 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock like that.
Wow. So you wake up at 5:30.
Yes, I wake up 5:30.
Have you got the breakfast?
Sometimes I can't to take the breakfast also. Sometimes I eat bread with butter. Sometimes I never take also. Madam asked me to do work.
Okay. So every day 5:30 wake up and then you sleep at 12.
Yes,
So you not enough sleep, not enough food.
Yes, I
Okay.
know I think ready.
Yeah. Okay. It's okay. Okay. So now you want to find a new employer.
Yes, I want to find.
Okay. You didn't resign yet,
Yes.
Okay. So if we help you to find employer, you want to take care what? Children?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Small children?
Okay, I can.
How about newborn baby?
Yes,
Have you got
I can.
experience?
Yes, I have.
You know,
Yes,
You know how to feed the meal?
I know.
Okay. But you know if in Hong Kong maybe take care the newborn baby, maybe you need to wake up at night time. You don't mind?
Okay. Now.
Okay, thank you. Now have you got a holiday every week?
Now I have holiday.
On Sunday.
Sunday.
Okay. If now we help you to find a new employer, maybe cannot arrange the holiday on Sunday, maybe compensate you money is okay?
Okay, never mind.
Or Saturday is okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. You can eat pork,
I don't eat pork.
or you don't eat pork?
I eat chicken.
You
fish,
eat chicken and
egg.
fish.
Yes.
How about meat? No?
I never eat meat and pork.
Okay. Are you scared of dog?
I
Little bit. Can handle?
I can handle.
Okay. Because maybe employer house got a small dog like that.
Okay.
You don't scare,
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Bye bye.